Motorcycles are everywhere. You've got your helmet, sunglasses, and safety gear to stay safe on the road. So how can you protect your wallet from turning a fender bender into a real wipeout? Let's talk about that. Hi, it's John with Berry Insurance. Whether it's your main mode of transportation or just an occasional weekend drive, motorcycles offer a daring way to explore the open road. However, all the fun of riding your bike also comes with some added risks. Before setting off on your next motorcycle ride, you'll need to purchase the right protections to cover you for any potential damages or injuries. We know you likely already spent a ton on your motorcycle and don't want to spend another dollar on insurance, but having a motorcycle policy ensures the bike is protected and you won't be stuck with paying a huge out-of-pocket claim. In this video, we'll be cruising through everything you need to know about motorcycle insurance, including what is motorcycle insurance? What does motorcycle insurance cover? What does motorcycle insurance not cover? Who needs motorcycle insurance? How much does motorcycle insurance cost? Let's ride! What is motorcycle insurance? In Massachusetts, motorcycle insurance works much like your standard car insurance policy, but with a few differences to cater to motorcycles. This insurance policy provides protection for multiple different types of motorcycles and bikes, including cruisers, sport bikes, touring bikes, scooters or mopeds, and more. So no matter your model, you are able to be covered on the road. What is covered by motorcycle insurance? Motorcycle insurance typically provides coverage for injuries to someone else for an accident you cause in Massachusetts, any damage done to someone else's vehicle or property, coverage if you are involved in a hit and run, coverage if you are hit by an uninsured driver, medical bills for you and your passengers, this is optional, damages to your motorcycle, also optional, injuries to someone else for an accident you cause outside of Massachusetts, optional, coverage if you are hit by someone with minimal insurance, optional coverage, and towing, which is also optional. What is not covered by motorcycle insurance? Motorcycle insurance does have some limitations and exclusions, including damage from negligence or lack of vehicle maintenance, lost wages for you or injured passenger, personal property in your motorcycle, damages as a result of using your vehicle for business, intentional bodily injury or property damage, accidents that occur during races or competitions. Who needs motorcycle insurance? If you live in Massachusetts, you are required to have motorcycle insurance for motorized bikes, including motorcycles, sports bikes, cruisers, and more at the state minimum limits. However, with the rising costs of vehicles, repair parts, and medical bills, the cost of claims could quickly exceed coverage limits if you only have the state minimums. Having increased coverage on your policy will ensure you're fully protected if you experience a claim. How much does motorcycle insurance cost? Unfortunately, this isn't a straightforward answer. Since there are several significant factors that can influence the cost of your policy, the rates between policyholders can vary. These factors include the type and value of the motorcycle, riding and claims history, driver age, location, and coverages you select. However, we usually see the cost of motorcycle insurance fall somewhere around $700 per year. With everything that goes into upkeeping your motorcycle, having the right amount of insurance coverage is an important step to complete before setting off on your next joyride. Since motorcycle insurance can be personalized for your needs, contact your insurance agent today to talk about your coverage options and what optional coverages you should consider. Got other questions on motorcycle insurance or another policy type? Then click on the link below to our website's Learning Center. We have hundreds of articles and videos covering every area of insurance you can think of. And if you don't see what you're looking for, feel free to leave us a comment on what we should cover in our next video. Thanks for watching, and if you found today's video helpful, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel to always see our latest video. We post videos like this each week breaking down the world of insurance for our viewers. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the road.